Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super handy for all you travelers, language learners, or anyone dealing with foreign text: Google Translate's camera translation feature. This tool has gotten even smarter in 2025, making it easier than ever to translate real-world text on the fly. Imagine pointing your phone at a menu in Paris or a sign in Tokyo, and instantly seeing it in English. Pretty cool, right? First off, let's quickly cover what camera translation is. It's a feature in the Google Translate app that uses your phone's camera to detect and translate text from images in real time. With the 2025 updates, it supports more languages and has improved accuracy, thanks to advanced AI. To get started, you'll need the latest Google Translate app installed on your smartphone. Make sure your device has a good camera and is connected to the internet for the best results, though some translations can work offline if you've downloaded the languages beforehand. Step 1. Open the Google Translate app on your phone. If you haven't already, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once it's open, tap on the camera icon at the bottom of the screen. That's your gateway to camera translation. Step 2. Select the languages you want to translate from and to. For example, choose Detect Language for the source and English for the target. Then, point your camera at the text you want to translate. Hold steady. The app will automatically detect and highlight the text. Step 3. As you point the camera, the translated text will appear overlaid on the image in real time. You can tap on specific words for more context or even save the translation for later. In 2025, there's a new enhancement where you can adjust the overlay opacity or use augmented reality for a more immersive experience. A few tips to make the most of it. Ensure you're in a well-lit area for better accuracy, and remember that while it's great for signs and menus, it might struggle with handwriting or very small text. Also, double-check translations for critical info, as no tool is perfect. There you have it. Using Google Translate's camera translation is straightforward and a game-changer for communication. Give it a try on your next adventure and let us know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.